Okay, tonight we're going to be testing this blade. This is a 12-inch blade with 5 blades, and it's in pretty bad condition, although I tend to think that this is more of a shipping mishap than a manufacturing defect. You know. Anyways, I'm going to be using this fan. There's no rating on it for the power, but at high, with the blade it comes with, it pulls 0.32 amps, and it's quite powerful. The airstream is very strong on this fan. So let's change it for this crazy 5-wing blade. Now let's see what transpires. Now the clock on this blade is just an atrocity. Absolute atrocity. Look at this. That's got to be a good inch out of whack. This is absolutely ridiculous. But that's what it is. So let's put the guard on and see what happens. Drawing only 0.26 amps, so it's not putting as much load on the motor as the original blade would, and the airflow is terrible. It's like really concentrated right here, and then it just vanishes. Yeah, this doesn't blow very far at all. Nowhere near as good a performance as the original blade. It's actually not that badly out of balance though, which is surprising. I can see the clock is still off, but I think because of the speed at which it's going, it's kind of just evening itself out a little bit. It's down to 0.25 amps. Probably not going to be much difference in the speeds. No, there isn't. So this blade is not putting as much load on the motor as it can handle. Nor is it performing all that well either. The clock is outrageous. It's so bad. Yeah, I don't know if you could see on the camera, but in person I can see the blades get closer to alignment once it runs up. So this blade stinks.